Hi guys, welcome to the GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to do a good description for a YouTube video with ChatGPT. So here I have a video I just uploaded, and now I need to do a good description. For that I will go to languages and here tap on edit, and here we have manual subtitles. Just tap edit again. And here are my subtitles, and you need to select and copy, and now go to Google and look for ChatGPT, and here just type please do a video description for YouTube. From these subtitles, and paste the subtitles, and now tap enter and wait, and here is my description, and this description is based on my subtitles, so it is very good. And now you need to select all the text and copy, go back to the video, close the subtitles, and go to details, and here just paste again, and now you need to arrange this text. And now it's over and all looks good. So it is very easy. You need to tap on save, and that's all. This was my video for today. I hope to be useful. Please let me in the comment area how do you think, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.